Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to give you the demo of this application bolt hole generated by 2 points. This application can create holes or bolt on top and bottom flanges and web of the parts. You just have to pick the parts and 2 points. It will automatically create the bolts or holes. You have option to set the distance by quantity, maximum, exact, equal and staggered. Let's go to Tekla. Select the application and pick the member and pick the first point and second point. The reason I have given this option to pick 2 points, if you have any plate or part is added to the member, you can avoid clashing with that. So in this case, I will pick the member, pick the first point and second point. Again, select the member and pick the first and second point. Now this is the PFC section. And this is an angle. Let me just double click and open the properties. And you have bolt distribution, exact spacings, equal spacings, maximum number of bolts and staggered. Let me just select staggered. And then go to the web and change this option to staggered. This is an angle. So once you open the properties, there is no top or bottom flange. But what you can do is go to the web and change this one to from edge. I don't need a distance between the 2 bolts, so make it 0 so that it won't create the second bolt or hole. And you can change the distance. If you want to remove holes on the web, you can change this option to none and modify this. You can go to the flange. Let me also remove from here and then change this to bolt. Select stud and change the orientation. You can also use this application to add stud to the part. As you can see how easy it is to create holes or bolts to the member using this application. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.